Hey guys, welcome back to Mike's Double Edge. Pardon the noise outside. It's probably going to be a little loud. But I'm going to do the best I can because today is an official Shout Out Friday. So let's get into it. I have 5 shout outs. Let me go close that window real quick. Alright. Sorry about that. Be less noisy now. Seems like every time I do a video with a window open, a car goes by. Alright. So, the first one. Mikeyshaves. He's got some good videos out there. I suggest you go check out his channel. Give him a nice subscribe. He's got 276 subs. Let's give him some more. So he's also got some really cool razors too. Go check him out and give him some love on there. Next one. And I don't know if any of these people have a Instagram. So next one, Shaving with Fuzzy. He's also got some cool videos. Go check him out. Got some cool stories too. And I'll put all these in the description below. So Shaving with Fuzzies, he's got 714 subs. Next one. I don't know if you've all heard of this one. I gotta... Hold on here. Gotta do something real quick. Alright. Next one is Silky Smooth. If you haven't heard of him, I suggest you go check him out. He's a pretty cool guy. Looks like a big rocker. I like rock. He's got 640 subs. And he's silkity smooth too. So go check him out. I like his videos. It's funny. Got some cool content. Next one. What that? This guy only has 30 subs, so we need to give him some love there. His channel is GMG Chronicles Wet Shaving. Go check him out. It looks like he's just starting out. You might probably need some subtitles depending on what country you're in. I think he's Italian. One video I watched, the subtitles were unavailable. So I just had to watch him shave, which was fine with me. He does have some videos that contains subtitles, so I mean, you do have that option. So if you want to go follow him, give him some more subs. That'd be sweet. Last one. I know I already mentioned this one, but it needs to be mentioned again. Shave Dad. It's a great wet shaving group on Facebook. It's what I call a wet shaving community, all one area. It's a great one. Go check them out, especially if you have a YouTube channel. They allow you and encourage you to share your YouTube review videos and other stuff with wet shaving on there. So they highly encourage it. Go check them out. I think you'll like it. Hey, I just wanted to come back on and talk a little bit more about that Shave Dad Facebook group. They also do giveaways too. I think there's like a giveaway every week or two. Got some great stuff on there for a giveaway. Like I said, it's a great community. A lot of people love to help on there, ask questions, whatever. It's great. The guy Jerry on there is a great guy. He does a really good job of maintaining the group. Welcomes everybody, whoever pops in new, welcomes everybody. So do we. We welcome everyone that comes in too. So yeah, like I said, there's giveaways. There's a little area where you can buy people stuff that they're selling. So like I said, just go over there. There's a lot to that group. I know you'll love it if you get there. Hope you do. Hope to see you there. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to add to it. Go check out that group. We'd all appreciate it. So, but yeah, bye. So that was my 5 for today. So I have more people on here, and I'm gonna get to them. I'll get to them eventually. Not all my shout out videos are, of course, as you noticed, on Friday. It's hard for me to keep track sometimes because I lose control of what day it is. So sometimes I'll post a regular shave video on a Friday, and I meant to do a shout out. So shout outs will just land where they land, I guess, for now. So, and I need to get more on my list to watch so I can keep doing these. I have a good amount, but there are some that hasn't had a video since a year. So, I have them. I'm hoping they come back and start. There's some that I have on my list that hasn't done a video in like 4 to 8 years. So I don't know what's going on with them. I hope they come back. It looks like they had some great content. They were starting to build a group, a subscription base, fan base. So we'll see if they come back on. I hope they do. Be nice. So I think that's it for right now. If there's anybody, well, you don't know my list, so if you suggest anybody, I could probably have them. But I've been finding random ones throughout YouTube, so just depends. But yeah, that's all I have for now, and I hope you all are having a great day. I hope you have a great weekend. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.